Monkey Love Travel. My name is Jason. Are you a first time family cruiser? You're trying to figure out which cruise line is the best and family friendly for you? Well, that's exactly what we're going to talk about today. So, I understand that planning a family friendly cruise vacation can be overwhelming, and finding the right cruise line can make all the difference. With so many options available, it's crucial to choose the best one that's going to cater to you and your family's unique needs and preferences. When it comes to planning a family cruise, there are several challenges that you can face. For instance, not all cruise lines offer age appropriate activities for kids. Some may not have amenities that cater to your family's interests. Another significant factor is the budget. You need to find a cruise line that fits your budget without sacrificing the quality of the vacation itself. Additionally, every family has different priorities, and what works for your family may not work for another family. Lastly, with so many options available, it can be daunting to research and compare different cruise lines. So that's what I want to help you do today, and I believe that we can help you find the best fit. You'll want to consider what's most important to your family. Do you need a kids club or water park? Are you looking for relaxing, laid back, or are you looking for that action packed adventure? Do you have teenagers who require more independence or little ones who need extra attention? Answering these questions ahead of time will help you narrow down the search. So let's dive into some of the most popular family friendly cruise lines that excel in different areas. First you have Disney Cruise Lines, for example. It's a top choice for families with young children. They offer themed kids clubs, water parks, and they have the beloved. Who doesn't love the Disney characters? And they're on board. Royal Caribbean, on the other hand, is perfect for families who crave a little bit of adventure. With amenities like a rock climbing wall, zip lines, wave riders, skydiving simulators, and ice skating rinks. Uh, Carnival Cruise Line is great for families on a budget, offering affordable prices without sacrificing any of the fun activities like water parks and family game shows. Some of their ships even have roller coasters on them, or I should say, a roller coaster on them, not multiple roller coasters. Carnival also stands out for its family friendly accommodations, with rooms that can fit families of five and above. Norwegian Cruise Line is ideal for families who want a more laid back atmosphere, with a range of dining options and no set dining times. Now, MSC Cruise Lines offers a more international flair, with a global crew and a wide range of cultural activities on board. So, after researching and comparing these lines, I'm excited to reveal that, in our opinion, the most top family friendly cruise line is going to be Royal Caribbean. With its unique blend of adventure, relaxation, and family friendly activities, Royal Caribbean offers something for every member of your family. From its impressive kids' clubs to its fantastic entertainment options, the cruise line does truly stand out for families. Now, what sets Royal Caribbean apart, in our opinion, is its focus on value. With a range of cabin options to suit different budgets and family sizes, you can find the room that fits your needs without breaking your bank. Additionally, the cruise line offers a variety of dining options, including a range of kid friendly restaurants and casual eateries. So, in conclusion, finding the right family friendly cruise is key to a successful and enjoyable vacation. By considering your family's unique needs and priorities, you can narrow down the search and find the perfect fit. I want to thank you for joining me today in this journey to find the best family-friendly cruise line for you. Before you go, I'd like to hear what's your favorite cruise experience? You know, can you share your favorite tip for any families that may be looking for their first cruise? Please share with those comments below. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more family friendly cruise videos in the future.